Just got this new trailer hitch for my car, my Mazda. So I installed that yesterday. I don't have any video on that, but now this was my grandfather's old trailer that he used to carry his motorcycle on. That's why that I-beam is going across here. But basically all the wiring was screwed up and the tires were garbage. So I got new tires on there and got new lights. And now I just rewired the whole thing from front to back, so you can see the wires just kind of laying here. And basically now I'm just gonna solder it all together. I've already tested it, everything works, and I will have a trailer. And I'll be wired up to pull other trailers because my dad also has another trailer that I could use. Commandeer. Yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. And then hopefully once my soldering gun heats up, I solder all this together, zip tie everything up, and I'm on my way to go get a rototiller. Got the trailer all wired up. Now I did run the wires across the top. I should have ran them along the bottom, but I was kind of in a rush today and I wasn't thinking. So I'll have to undo the lights again at one point and rerun the wires underneath where they should be. But she's ready to go. New tires, new lights, new trailer hitch. Looking pretty good.